Thanks for watching, everybody. For Youth Explosion, I'm Billy Wow.
And I'm Stu Falcon. Supplies are limited.
I go to church and all, but the world is just really exciting.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
Watch this.
You know, it's so funny because the only reason that I even do it, I mean, this Youth Explosion stuff is a joke, dude. It's just a joke. I get paid tons of money to just say, I'm Stu Falcon, dude, and people eat it up. I just don't get it. It's so funny, but Mountain Dew is good.
Now that's good quality Mountain Dew. Oh God! Look where you're driving! What do you think you're doing? Look where you're driving!
What?
I was driving, I was running the
I didn't
parking
see
lot.
you. You're wearing black.
Sorry, it's God.
Sorry.
If I get damaged for this cut, I'm gonna sue. Sue you.
Got a cut.
My lawyer's gonna be very angry about this. Angry!
Oh my gosh.